Giles FBA. Before we get into this walkthrough on Sellerboard, just want to let you know that if you use our link in the top of the description, you can get Sellerboard for 2 months free, and then afterwards it's only 20 bucks a month, but you have to use the link in the bio. So make sure to take advantage of that.
Hello everyone, this is Adam with Giles FBA. Today I'm going to walk you through Sellerboard. Sellerboard is an app that I use basically every day, multiple times a day. It's a simple tool to use. It helps manage inventory, helps you manage your profit and your sales, your revenue. Let me show you a couple of things that I do with it. Basically, the first thing I do every morning when I sit down at my computer is I log into here. I go over to the left. I click on products. Let this load here. It pulls up all your items that you have. And here's where you can manage the cost of goods. So let me show you the power in this. So basically, these are all just standards that I'm selling right now or have sold. And it keeps track of how much the COGS are, cost of goods sold. So let's click on this ocean blue tie-dye, for example. So you can click on the cost of goods type. Constant right now, meaning I paid $46.75 per unit. That's what I have put in there. But let's say I got them on sale one time, or let's say, I got them on sale. So I wanted to change the cost of goods for the second batch. So you can go in here and you do add new period and put the new inbound date. So let's say the next ones are going to be inbound on August 14th. You hit add, and then you can just fill it in. You can do auto manufacturing, shipping, PayPal fees, clearance, whatever. I added this COGS section, and I just put the total. So I would put amount. Let's say they cost me $48.25 this next time for whatever reason. Put that in there for unit, and now it'll account for that moving forward. So anything you sell as of August 14th and moving forward, it'll adjust that based on your sales or revenue. I'm going to cancel this. I don't want to save that. So basically what I do every morning, is I come in here, I hit COGS, sort it by lowest. That way it'll show me anything that is not have a price. Obviously all these have prices. I've already done this, but you just go in here and you can input the different numbers. So that saves it for you. And then after that, you got to hit save here at the bottom. Well, if you're changing something, nothing changed, so it's not telling me to save. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. So on the dashboard, it shows you different tiles with today, yesterday, month to date, this month, last month. It gives you how many orders you had, if there's refunds, payout, etc. So you can really track everything here. You can really dig down into something. So let's go to last month, for example, and click on this, and it shows all the products I had from last month, all the costs, all the revenue, sales, and get into something. So we can pick, let's go the same ocean tie-dye. Let's click over here to more, and it brings this up. You can see total sales, total units were sold, costs, Amazon fees, cost of goods, net profit, etc. All that is listed there. You can do that for any product you have. You also go back on the left here, more columns. You can check expenses. So you have some fixed expenses. I don't have any, but you can have one-time expenses, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, any kind of expenses you can have. Maybe it's rent. Maybe you want to put supplies in there that you have to purchase. So it's very powerful. You can put anything in there. It'll calculate it for you, help figure out your total revenue for the month and total profit for the month. There's a lot of reports you can pull up here. I think that the benefit of Sellerboard the most will be at the end of the year when you get new taxes. You'll be able to pull up all the different reports and be able to see exactly what your costs were and what your profit was. And it'll just make filing taxes a lot easier. Also, a really nice feature with it is the autoresponder. So with Sellerboard, it'll automatically request feedback. Anytime an item is sold, it'll automatically request feedback on that item. So it'll send this email out, your opinion matters, fills it in for your information, to rate your experience, so you can get feedback, because we all know feedback's important when we're selling on Amazon. And it's just automatic. It just sends it out. Depending on the plan, it'll send out 150 up to an unlimited amount of emails every single month. And it's definitely helped my feedback grow. That's really all I use Sellerboard for at this point. It also has a really nice app. Every day I'm checking the app more. Actually, I'm checking the desktop. You're on the go. Check the app. It tells you how much sales you have. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up. Wish you all the best with selling.